Today I'm going to show you how to play a super simple, easy version of Married Life from Up. You don't need to know how to read sheet music or anything like that. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do. Let's get started so that you can start playing. So I've divided this into 4 parts just to keep things organized. And for each part, I'm going to show you your right hand, then your left hand, and then together. If you're brand new to the piano, I recommend only doing one hand, only doing your right hand, which will have the melody. But if you want a little bit more of a challenge, then you can add in your left hand. So for part 1, your right hand is going to start with finger number 3 on the high F. So just to orient you to where we are at the piano, here's middle C, the set of 2 black keys slide to the left, here's middle C. So you're going up to the next C, and then this is the F that's above that one with finger number 3. So you'll see the notes written on the screen there, and that's what we're going to follow. So right hand's gonna play F, A, F, E. You're gonna hold on to it. Then you're gonna play E, A, E, D. And then you're gonna play D, F, D, C. Now notice when I came down for that last D and C, I moved finger 2 to the D just so that my thumb could make it to the C. Now notice my hands are in a slightly different position than they started. So we started here, right? And we ended here. So let's go over that one more time, just your right hand for part 1. We're gonna play F, A, F, E. We're gonna hold on to it. Then we're gonna play E, A, E, D, D, F, D, C. Okay, left hand for part 1 is gonna start on F with finger number 2, and you're gonna play F for 3 counts, and then your pinky, finger number 5, is gonna play C, and then you're gonna play F again, and down to C. Okay, so only those 2 notes, back and forth. Okay, and I'm going to show you how they go together like this. So right hand's going to play F, A, F all by itself. And then where they come in is when you play E here is when you start your first F here. So you're going to play them, hold on to each other. And then left hand's going to play C. And then E, A, E. Here's the next F with the D. For part 2, your right hand is going to start with finger number 2 on D, and you're going to play D, and you're going to stretch out your pinky to A up here, and then you're going to play G. Okay, so you're going to play D, A, G, and then you do that again, D, A, G, F, D, and that's where you end. So let's go over right hand one more time for part 2. You're gonna play D, A, G, D, A, G, F, D. Left hand for part 2 is going to be in the same position you were before. Remember when you were playing the F and the C? But this time you're gonna play G with your thumb, okay? And that's the only key that left hand's gonna play. So you're gonna play G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3. All right, let's put it together, part 2. So you'll start with finger 2 on D. You'll play D together, 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 and then G all by itself. Okay, so let's put it together slowly. We'll start on the D. And that's part 2. 4 is on F up here. We're gonna play F, G, F, E, and then we're gonna play E, G, E, C, move finger 3 to C, C, E, C, B flat. That's part 3. Now left hand is pretty simple. You're just going to start on C, finger number 5, and then you're gonna play G, back down to C, and C again. Let's put it together nice and slowly. So you'll start here on F, you'll play F, G, F together, and then you'll play G all by itself, and then together. Here's where you switch finger number 3. And then together again. Let's do it one more time. Part 3, both hands together. F, G, F, E, and then G all by itself. And then together, move finger 3. Part 4, we'll do just your right hand. So if you remember at the end of part 3, we ended on B flat. We're gonna stay on B flat, and we're gonna play B flat, D, B flat. And then we're gonna play A, B flat, tuck our thumb underneath to C, C, D, E, and then pause, C, D, E. Okay, so let's do just your right hand, starting on the B flat again. B flat, D, B flat, pause, A, B flat, C, D, E, pause, C, D, E. Left hand, you are just gonna play F, and then you're gonna have a big pause, and then you're gonna play G. And that's it for left hand. So just F and then G. Okay, so let's put this together. So we're starting here on B flat. So we're gonna play B flat, D, B flat. Then left hand's gonna play F. Right hand's gonna play A, B flat, C, D, E. Then left hand plays G, C, D, E. And that's the end of part 4. Now what you can do is you can repeat that going back to the beginning. So notice finger 3 is on E right now. All you'd have to do is move up finger 3 to F to do the repeat. And it would go back into the repeat.